Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's video, we've got a straightforward guide for you on how you can reset your stats for free and Roblox block fruits without spending a single Robux. No frills, just facts. So the first thing we need to do is to meet Blockster, the NPC holding the key to resetting your stats. Head over to the bridge between the green zone and the Kingdom of Rose and the Second Sea. Pluckster is waiting there, ready to assist you. Once you've found NPC Pluckster, strike up a conversation with him. He's the guy you're looking for to get that stat reset. However, here's the catch. It will cost you 2,500 fragments, so make sure you've got those in your pocket. After shelling out the fragments to NPC Pluckster, all your stat points will be unassigned. This is where the magic happens. Take your time to carefully relocate those points according to your desired build. It's your chance to optimize your character and play the game the way you want. And there you have it, Blocks Fruits Adventures. You've successfully reset your stats for free and Roblox Block Fruits. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.